Number 1. BOSCH ROS20VSC. If you're in the market for a reliable random orbital sander, the BOSCH ROS20VSC Palm Sander is definitely worth considering. One of the standout features of this tool is its built-in microfilter system that traps dust particles as small as 1/2 micron in diameter. This means less cleanup for you once you're finished sanding. The twist-off dust canister is also a nice touch, allowing you to easily see when it's full and needs emptying. Plus, the included vacuum hose adapter gives you the option of connecting the sander to a wet, dry shop vacuum for even more effective dust collection. The 2.5 amp motor provides plenty of power for most DIY tasks, and the adjustable sanding speed lets you fine-tune the tool to suit your needs. The 5-inch discs with hook and loop attachments make changing out sandpaper a breeze, saving you time and hassle. Despite some complaints about the sanding discs coming loose, we found the BOSCH ROS20VSC to be a pleasure to use. The comfortable, ergonomically shaped handle reduces hand fatigue, while the soft grip minimizes vibration, making long sanding sessions more bearable. And thanks to its powerful performance and effective filtration system, this sander leaves wood surfaces smooth and blemish-free. Overall, the BOSCH ROS20VSC Palm Sander earns the top spot for its ease of use, powerful performance, and reliable dust collection. While it may not be the most powerful sander on the market, it is more than sufficient for most DIY projects. If you're in need of a quality random orbital sander, give this one a closer look.